So guys, morning after our torrential downpour last night, it was relentless. You can see there's a lot of water laying around. Some pretty angry clouds still in the sky. We don't believe that it's gone. We believe that this is probably the calm before the next storm. It's supposed to continue until tomorrow morning. We're supposed to get severe gale force winds and thunderstorms. Flights have been cancelled for today. This is our airport. As you can see, it's pretty waterlogged, so no planes would be landing there today, that's for sure. Just driving out of town a bit to the dirt area. Mark has to dispose of something out here. Bit of sadness overnight. Oh look, I wouldn't be going too fast, sweetheart. Pretty muddy conditions, you don't want to get bogged. As I was saying, bit of sadness overnight. Princess's little mate, Leia, passed away. Mark Bill thought she think it was poison. Whether it was workshop when they sprayed it or someone baited her. What are you leaning towards?
Someone baited her.
You think someone baited her?
Nasty people.
We had reports of dogs having diesel thrown on them and set alight. That's why we tend to keep to ourselves and keep Princess pretty much locked up. Although since going on her little run, she has become pretty well known and popular, so I don't think anyone would be game to touch her now, hey?
Yeah, little star.
And she is under the protection of the mayor as well, so the mayor was very adamant that if he found out anyone had her, that he was going to insist that she be brought home pretty harshly. So she is pretty well known, our little girl, in Wadeye. People still ask us how long she was gone for and if she's okay and that she's good she's back home, don't they? Anyway guys, we'll do our little business out here and head into work, and we'll update you later. We'll keep you updated on the tail end of Cyclone Finna.